In Module 1, we will discuss what is in the crate and how to unload the crate. The wood crate measures approximately 104 inches by 56 inches and weighs around 125 pounds. Each individual panel, along with its accompanying parts, weighs approximately 177 pounds. If your crate contains just one panel, the total weight will be about 302 pounds. 2 panels will weigh roughly 479 pounds. 3 panels, 656 pounds, and with 4 panels, you're looking at a total weight of approximately 833 pounds. When unloading, remember, always use a standard forklift with fork extensions for safety. You'll need 2 people to unload the crate. Using suction cups, carefully lift the panel straight up and out, maneuvering it to a vertical position. Never drag panels across one another, as this can cause damage. The vertical panel must always be moved in an upright, vertical position. It's essential to ship this product flat, making sure nothing is stacked on top of it. Inside the crate, you'll find all the necessary parts and hardware required to install the system. Here is a list of components. This list will vary depending on your design. Please consult with your sales professional to determine what your needs will be. 94.50-inch wide by 47 1/4 inch high vitrified porcelain composite wall panels. Standard return brackets. Short return brackets. Back wall brackets. 1/8 inch bottom back wall spacers. Number 8 by 1 inch bracket installation wood screws. 94.59 inch by 7 inch moisture resistant skirt boards. Screws for moisture resistant skirt boards and moisture resistant strips. 48 inch by 2 inch by 1/2 inch moisture resistant strips. Lippage control posts and caps. Roll of closed cell foam weather stripping. Roll of watertight flashing. Tubes of translucent adhesive/sealant. Tube of color-matched 100% silicone sealant. The color is shown on the bottom of the tube. Cartridge of 2-part epoxy adhesive with extra mixing tips.